All right. So we're going back on YouTube. We're here on a motion for continuance in the cause number DC 192752 D Thong Savat versus David Espedel. The parties have agreed that this doesn't need to be on the court reporter's record, but we're on the YouTube. We're on YouTube right now. Just for the YouTube folks watching this YouTube, let me have the attorneys just introduce themselves.
Carl Adams for the plaintiffs.
John Slates for Urban Lofts.
Gerald Sager for the defendant, Urban Lofts.
And this is a motion for continuance on a jury trial. I think this is set for trial next week?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, February 2nd.
February 2nd. Obviously, we're not having jury trials next week. So on cases like this, it's, I don't know when we're going to get back to jury trials. The situation with the pandemic as well as I do, I'm sure. So I'll let you guys just pick a date. What I'm typically doing on these is if it's I would prefer not to set it on a week that has more than 15 cases set. And so the only dates I could find on my calendar, or actually I shouldn't say I should find, we had a docket call yesterday and somebody actually went through my whole year. So I think we had some dates in October and November. We're not up to 15 cases, but or we could set you anytime in 2022 or whatever you guys would like.
Judge, I think a setting in October might be a little bit later than we had hoped for, but we'll just have to live with it. This case has no real emergencies pressing the parties other than that they want it over with, but that's true in every case.
Your Honor, if I could just kind of give an update on where things stand.
Sure.
As you know, or as you may recall, there was a fence at issue in this case, and there was a claim of adverse possession. In the interest of being in a position to go ahead and move forward with the development that my client had on the property next door, we put the fence back in the place where it originally was. And we are in the process of trying to define in a legal description the area that's in dispute. And then we intend to quit claim deed that land that's on the other side of the fence to the plaintiffs.
So this may get settled then.
We're hopeful that in steps we can get to the place where it would make sense to resolve it and take it off your docket.
So what do y'all think about it? When do you want to set it for trial?
Sometime in October ought to give us plenty of time to do that and still not double up or crowd some of your dockets any more than they already are prior to the October time frame.
Okay. No, sorry. Apologize. My dog's here.
We've all been there, Jeff.
Okay, so October 5th, 12th, 19th, or 26th?
Any of those dates are fine with me.
Yeah, I'm open in October, Your Honor.
Same, Your Honor.
Why don't we set on October 12th then? And I don't see an order of continuance that's been filed I see the motion, but I don't see an order. Is there an order in here somewhere?
No, Your Honor, I'll be glad to do one and try to get it in.
We'll just reset it. Have you guys already been to mediation on this?
We have.
We have.
Okay. Rhonda, just go ahead and reset them to October 12th and take them off the trial docket for next week. You guys don't need to appear next week.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'll do an order.
You don't need to. We'll just reset it.
That's fine too. Thank you,
right,
Judge.
You guys be safe.
You too.
Thanks,
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Martin, are you here for a case? Mr. Martin, are you there?